How to crop a video in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up TikTok on a device. Before starting the video, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now either record the video or simply upload the video. Then select the video and tap on next. Now tap on the edit button. Now tap on edit at the bottom left corner. Now simply tap on crop at the bottom menu. Now slide the edges to crop the video. You can also choose from default aspect ratios. Now adjust the position and tap on save. Now tap on next and click on post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.